This is Hickory Grove Trail Part 2. We're now starting at the Bethany Falls Trail parking lot. And this is part of Burr Oak Woods Nature Center. And so we're going to start from this point and go to the bridge, but we're going to go a little past the bridge and go see the Aquatic Research Pond.
Hold on for a minute.
Smells so nice out here. I don't know what plant is giving what fragrance, but and it's hard to describe what the fragrance is. We're coming to a little bit of a dip. Not sure what this is. I think it's part of this stream bed. Yep. Like there's some sort of culvert over here. Oh my goodness, look at this. A little culvert over here, a little pond. Ah, this is so neat. I wonder if there's any fish in here. Went ahead and spit in it just to see if someone would come up and bite it. It looks fairly deep. Huh, kind of neat. And that's got an overflow. Kind of neat. Kind of neat. Interesting bench. I guess it's just to sit here and rest. Nothing to really look at. Woodland. Above could be part of a bike trail. Now we're back on the walking trail. Some small wooden bridges take over some little streams, streamlets. Well, we're at the halfway mark, but we're going to go past it to go to the pond, because that was a lot of fun. We're coming back to the pond again, because it's a fun place to go. See if we can see the fish again. Lots and lots of fish in this pond. And they like to come here because I think some people feed them. I'm going to spit in it and you can see what happens. There we go. Yep. Out to find out what's going on. Can't fish in this pond. Not the same turtle that I saw that was over there. It was a big snapper turtle. Lots and lots of fish. It's fun to watch. You watch them all day long. Coming to the end of the deck. Hello, Mrs. Swanson. Beautiful tree. This is where they have their education, wildlife, pond education. They come here, and it's not too far away from the pond. Probably snakes in this area.
trusty stick and put it in front of me. Let's see if there's a snake. Don't see any. Thank goodness. Oh, is that a beautiful scene? Something that popped up over here. The frogs are not chumming like they were, or humming, or croaking, I guess. Oh, there was a wave near the bird feeder. This pond is teeming with big fish, but there's no public fishing in this pond. Go back. Hope she's careful. Sometimes there's snakes around that area. Sure-flying owl went on to the other parking lot, and when he returns and comes back, he will have done over 3.38 miles, I think. I'm not sure. We'll see at the sign. Anyways, we saw a little rabbit when we came out to the pond, and it went right up this trail. So I don't know if this is an animal trail or if this is a human trail, but I'm going to guess an animal trail. I forgot to mention that there is, looks like some sort of feed, but I don't see any here now that you can get. Oh, it's that bird thing. Huh. As we say, there's no public fishing. This is an aquatic resource education area. You can hear the frogs. So beautiful because it's got a couple limestone outcroppings here. That's really pretty. Limestone bluffs, as they talk about it. And there is a really interesting limestone bluff. It's interesting that this tree is growing right on the top trail. There's a lot of little trails that veer off. I don't know where they go. Interesting trails. And here's one. So this is the trail over here, this marker. The one goes into a glen, and this one says no bikes.
Well, we had a fun time on this part of the trail. I would recommend coming out. There were a lot of birds. There were pleasant smells to smell. There was aquatic life. We even saw a rabbit on the trail. So again, come out to Burr Oak Woods Nature Center in Blue Springs, Missouri, and have a good time.